Welcome, I'm Jonathan and this is KwJonathan. Today we're going over either, to be. Now, to be in English can be represented by the words is, am, are, was, were. But in Korean, all of those are represented by one, ida. Now, like an adjective, ida cannot act on objects. Only verbs can. And unlike English, either is not used to indicate that something is an adjective. It is rather used to indicate that a noun is a noun. So, the basic structure for a sentence predicated by either is noun, another noun, either. See, an example would be I, man, either, which is I am a man. Now I will be na and man will be namja. So 나는 남자이다. I am a man. 나는 남자이다. I am a man. Note, it would be incorrect to include a space between the second noun and ida. And it would also be incorrect to include an object marker on the second noun. Thank you for watching the video. The next video will be on this and that. So, I, g, and jo.